I'm going to talk a little bit about the BOSYTRO switching power supply. Now, this one is a 30 amp, 600 watt power supply, and it has 3 outputs. So 3 positive outputs, 3 negative outputs. So you can power up to 3 devices. Then for the input AC power, it has a ground, neutral, and live. And you can use any power supply cord from a computer or computer monitor, as long as it has those wires: the ground, neutral, and black. So, however, it does not have a power on and off switch. So I have it hooked up to a smart switch with a button on the side. So if I turn that on, right now we're at 0.67 volts. But if we turn it up, now I've already ran a multimeter on this to test the output voltage, and it does run a little bit high. So if you want 13.8 volts for your standard radio transceiver, you want to have it at about 13.4. Now, mind you, they do handle, a little bit more voltage, maybe up to 14.5 tops, but you should be running at 13.8. So in order to do that, I keep the power supply at about 13.4 in order to get that 13.8 output voltage. Now, I have it hooked up to a 10 watt Radio Shack HDX10. The antenna is not hooked up right now, so we're not gonna transmit anything. But as you can see, works pretty well. Does work. Or to shut it off, I just hit that button again, and it takes a while to shut off. As a switching power supply, so the capacitors in it take a little while to drain. Oh, the display shut off, and the green power light takes another few minutes. Now, one more thing about this, you can run it on either 110 or 115 or 230 volts AC input power. But most people are going to run it at 115, so that's where I keep it, because that's what I have. So, works pretty well. It's not very loud. It seems to work great. And for $29 and change, it's a great power supply compared to one like this, which might cost you $100 or more. That's a 15 amp, 13.8 volt Radio Shack power supply. Seen better days. But yeah. So far, so good with this one. I haven't had any problems. This is KE8ZSE. I am Mike MC. Thank you for watching and have a great day.